Namaskar. The Supreme Court adjourned the case relating to the conduct of the Class 12 board examinations to Thursday, that is the 3rd of June. Now, that was pretty much expected, and I really wish and hope some of our YouTuber friends read a bit about the law. That's something very important, and do not keep on saying verdict today, decision today, because not only you are misleading students, you're misleading students who do not understand the law. You're also giving the entire community a bad name. Because remember, court verdicts are not, I repeat, they are not 2-minute noodles. Key, they can get prepared like this. Okay, so do not think of court verdicts ki jaldi se jaldi aa jayega, and just because they are adjourned to another day, they are a bad thing, because courts have to listen to both sides. They have to examine all the evidence that is placed before them. They have to examine and discuss about every single aspect. All that takes time. It's a very elaborate exercise, and remember, we are talking about the Supreme Court. We are not talking about some lower court where this case is being heard. Now, let's come to the operative part and my analysis of the same. Now, the Supreme Court said something very significant today when the Attorney General informed the court that the central government will decide on the board examinations, the Class 12 board examinations, in 2 days, right? On June 1 or June 2, whether to conduct them or not to conduct them. The two-judge bench replied, and listen to this carefully, because इस केस में क्या होगा, इस केस में क्या होगा, उसका उत्तर इस रिएक्शन स्टेटमेंट के अंदर है. So listen to this carefully. They said, no difficulty, you can take a decision. If you are departing from the policy last year, you must give good tangible reasons. I repeat, if you are departing from the policy of last year, you must give good tangible reasons, as the last order of 2020 was after detailed deliberations. You will recall that it was lawyer Rishi Malhotra who had fought the case against the CBSE in the Supreme Court in 2020. Two things here. The court was making the point that the order that was passed in 2020, when the pending papers were cancelled, both for ICSE as well as CBSE, it was after serious arguments and discussions that took place in the Supreme Court. Point number two, the Supreme Court has told the government in so many words, very, very loud and clear, that if you are making a change to that position of 2020, that policy, you need to give very good reasons. Now, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? ये तो अगर क्रिकेटिंग टर्म्स में बात करें तो एक तरह से जसप्रीत बुमराह का यॉर्कर की तरह हो गया. It has pushed the government onto the back foot. Now, on Thursday, it needs to come and explain. If it decides to change the position of 2020, it will have to give very good reasons. If it doesn't, it will mean that the exams will be cancelled. Okay. Now, the question is, does the government have very good reasons, especially when the second wave of COVID-19 in the last couple of months has targeted the young also apart from the old. First wave में आपको याद होगा, it were more of the senior citizens who were getting affected. Now the court also said, एक और बात कही, that you cannot tell us that just because you are the government, you know what is right. Okay. If we as a court are highlighting certain issues, you should look into it. So, the court making its position very clear that सरकार आके ये नहीं कह सकती कि हम सरकार है, हमको सब मालूम है, हमको मालूम है क्या ठीक है, इसलिए यही निर्णय होगा. अदालत ने उनको ये भी कहा है कि हम कुछ इश्यूज को हाईलाइट कर रहे हैं, तो आपको इन सब इश्यूज को एग्जामिन करना पड़ेगा. We don't want to see just your affidavit. Affidavit वो होता है जो कि कोर्ट में दायर किया जाता है, what the government proposes to do. We want to see your policy document. So the government has 2 days, June 1 and June 2, in which it will announce what it proposes to do. But चूंकि इस तरह का verbal directive Supreme Court ने दिया है during the discussions, the government will have to rethink seriously if it can really conduct the examinations, because वो होगा 2020 के डिसीजन के बिल्कुल विपरीत. Okay, I hope I have explained it very clearly even to those who do not understand the nuances of the law. Now, The Supreme Court has also spoken loudly on behalf of the students, saying that these students have hope that the policy adopted last year will be followed this year as well. Because ऐसा नहीं हो सकता ना कि 2020 में जब सर्कमस्टांसेस वही थी कोविड-19 की, 2021 में भी वही है, इस समय एक अलग डिसीजन लिया जाए, इस समय अलग डिसीजन लिया जाए. सरकारें ऐसा नहीं कर सकती. देयर हैज टू बी सम काइंड ऑफ अ कंसिस्टेंसी. उसी बात को अंडरलाइन किया है सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने. Now the matter is posted for Thursday, but before that, as I said, the government will have to make its position clear. एक और डेवलपमेंट हुआ, उसके बारे में मैं आपको बता दूं. The Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, जिसको कि फिक्की कहा जाता है, भारत में 3 मेन इंडस्ट्री बॉडीज हैं, CII, फिक्की एंड एसोचैम. सो फिक्की ने एक खत लिखा है यूनियन एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर को, जैसे कल हमने ओपन लेटर लिखा था वीडियो के रूप में, in which it has asked for the cancellation of the class 12 board examinations and the results to be declared by the middle of July based on internal assessments. ये खत लिखा है उदय शंकर ने है, जो कि फिक्की के प्रेसिडेंट है. Incidentally, he also happens to be my wife Uma Sudhir's classmate from the Times Journalism School some 30 years ago. Now, Uday Shankar has made the point that the delayed exam schedule will spoil the chances of nearly 5 lakh students who will apply or who have applied for foreign university admissions, because for all of them August is the cutoff. ओके, अगर अगस्त तक उन्होंने अपना पूरा मार्कशीट रिकॉर्ड्स वगैरह सबमिट नहीं किया तो उनको फिर से रीअप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. सो द प्रेशर टू कैंसिल द एग्जामिनेशंस इज माउंटिंग. What will happen on June 1st or June 2nd and subsequently on June 3rd in the Supreme Court will decide which way the बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस इज गोइंग. एक और लास्ट बात, ये केस में सीबीएसई और आईसीएसई काउंसिल को रेस्पोंडेंट्स के रूप में टैग किया गया है. स्टेट बोर्ड्स की बात नहीं की गई है, लेकिन स्टेट बोर्ड्स क्या करेंगे वह निर्भर करेगा कि सीबीएसई और आईएससी एग्जाम्स के साथ क्या होता है. सो वॉच दिस स्पेस फॉर द क्लियर एनालिसिस एंड एक्यूरेट, रिलायबल एंड ऑफ कोर्स फैक्ट बेस्ड इंफॉर्मेशन. Thank you very much for watching. Jai Hind.